Good morning. Today, we're about to start the first unit related to English language communication skills of first BTech students. As a part of it, I was asked to make a few video clips of the first unit related to this lab course. So when I repeat the name of the lab stands as English language and communication skills. Before we do speak about the topics related to English language and communication skills, we need to know what exactly is the prevailing scenario of the study engineering. If we know about the prevailing study of engineering, then we'll be able to justify and we'll be able to identify the objective behind the study or behind the practice or behind the interaction related to English language and communication skills. So, but of course, as the days started progressing, human lives has become and human lifestyle is acquainted to this tech bent lifestyle. Without technology has penetrated into each and every walk of our life. Without technology there is no life at all, and at the same time we are slowly moving towards the most creative eras like artificial intelligence, even internet of things. We are taking and we are making ourselves uh, technology and science we are making these technology and science as an important components of our life. So the study of engineering has also grown, and it is the most demanding course in the world of opportunities. When it comes about today's study of engineering, there are two common things that every employer and that every stream has been looking for nowadays. Gone those days where there used to be the need for technologists. Now you require engineers, you require a bent of creative mind where you can speak, come up with new ideas, and create facilities and make the advancements in a much more rampage manner. For that, the first important thing happens to be your sense of creativity and your approach towards problem solving. Every company has been looking for the individuals who has got these two major skill sets. If you need to be creative, you need to have a very good details related to the subject in which you are aspiring to pioneer. Means you should have a broad study. You are expected to study your area in a rather broad manner, knowing about the details related to your subject in a maximum manner. If you have a lot of details related to your subject, obviously you will be able to feel about the subject that you are pursuing, and the aspirations that that are there prevailing in your mind will get an ignition with the details, with the knowledge that you have earned in relation to the subject. That's how you create various opinions. If you study those opinions that are framed in your mind, those opinions will become ideas. And those ideas, if implemented and materialized, if you're going to give a tangible, visible shape to your ideas, if you're going to make your ideas, if you're going to make your abstract ideas a concrete one by giving it a shape, automatically you would be called as a creative man. You would be called as an engineer. So, if we keenly observe this particular process, there are two major elements that are involved in it. The first element happens to be the acquirement of knowledge and empowering yourself with that sense of application. Means you should have that practical bent of mind. First thing is you get the details related to your subject. You have a maximum number of details related to your subject. Second thing is you should have that sense to implement the ideas that are formed in your mind. These are the two things that will make you and that will enable you march towards creativity. Very good. But there is a third entity that need to be thrown light in major. That happens to be the expression that you put on to the idea that has been framed in your mind. The second thing is how are you going to share the effectiveness? How are you going to share the utility? How are you going to share the benevolence involved in the idea that is being framed? Happens to be an utmost important factor. Now, let us not discuss much about the advantages and disadvantages of globalization. But now, globalization is still the most happening thing, and if your idea may cross oceans and your ideas will travel across the world at that particular time, if every idea, if properly carried out by an engineer, it will be viable worldwide. It is again the worth of world that could be carried out. So what exactly is the span what exactly is the element that decides the span of you for your idea? Means it's your communication skills. That is where English language and communication skills comes into picture. When communication means the art of expressing things, whatever the ideas that you bear in your mind should be given a shape with the word or vocabulary power that you have. You are supposed to adopt an appropriate channel or medium to communicate that particular idea with the assistance of the words related to language. You are expected to communicate your ideas. So the effectiveness of the vocabulary usage, the effectiveness of the medium that you have opted to communicate or the channel that you have chosen to communicate decides the extent of viability related to your idea. No doubt the real, practical, and the worth of idea really matters, but the span is again being decided by the ability that you have to communicate. So this happens to be importance of communication skills. Then why English language? Means you all know, you have been listening about this right from your childhood. English is a global language. So the common medium to communicate across all the major number of countries in the world happens to be English. English is an important medium that will facilitate you to communicate your ideas. So there is a need to earn a good amount of grip on the language called as English, and duly acquiring mastery on the language, you need to acquire those essential communication skills. What are the essential communication skills that you need to master with? What are the important considerations that you need to identify for the sake of acquiring mastery in your language will be discussed in the next video clip. Thank you very much.